Here we are in Little Italy. This building used to be the NYPD. It's now an apartment building. All the hustle and bustle of New York. See if we can get some direction to Tribeca. Sir, can you tell me how to get to Tribeca?
Grazie. This is a Little Italy. You're looking for where?
Tribeca.
Oh, Tribeca. Are you looking for some pizza?
Yeah?
Do some tomato with a little mozzarella with some vinaigrette.
Yes.
So what you're looking for is a pepperoni.
Yes.
Okie dokie. Well, there's a good place. Take it to the Spring Street. And you take it to number 6 subway to Lexington. If you want to go down 10 blocks and make a right on 32nd. Okay. Cross over to the corner, which is across from the bakery. And you take it to number 4 bus line all the way to the green stop. Don't forget the green stop. Okay. Once you're there, Tribeca's short taxi cab ride from there. Okay, have a
Thank you.